Section 7.1, cube roots. We often need to know what number cubed produces a certain value. When such a number is found, we say that we've found a cube root. To indicate that we're after a cube root, our index on the radical has a 3. So in this example, they're asking us for the cube root. In other words, what number times itself 3 times gives us 8. And it turns out that since 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, the cube root of 8 is equal to 2. Here they're asking us for the cube root of negative 27. What times itself 3 times is the cube root? Since negative 3 times itself 3 times is negative 27, the cube root of negative 27 is negative 3. In this last example, they're asking us for the cube root of 1000 x to the third. What times itself 3 times gives us the 1000? That would be 10, since 10 to the third power is 1000. X to the third power, what times itself 3 times gives us x, would be x. And once we're done with the radical, they're asking us to take the opposite of that answer. And here, because we can have negatives, the x doesn't need to have the absolute value when we're working with a cube root, but we still are taking the opposite of our simplification of this radical. So our final answer would be negative 10x.